Good day, my dear students. For today's video, we're going to talk about compound interest, specifically finding for the principal, the future value, and the time in the compound interest environment. So a little disclaimer po, I don't own any of this problem. I just borrowed it from David Tordlowski, year 2023, in his uploaded PDF over the internet, which is indicated in this PowerPoint po. And also, which I will also indicate in my description box of this video. Now po, let's first differentiate compound interest and simple interest. So sa compound interest, si interest plus yung principal nag-earn ng interest. Simple interest, ang nag-earn lang sa kanya ng interest, si principal. Kaya po, mas malaki yung laging kinikita ni compound interest. Now, my dear students, di ba meron tayo, kung naaalala niyo po, yung formula natin is for the future value of compound interest. So that is F is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. And ito pong N, ito po yung tinatawag nating compounding periods. So, di ba po, kapag sinabi natin compounding periods, pwede siyang maging annually. Yung mga LY sa hulihan, yun po yung tinatawag nating compounding periods. Annually, that is 1. We also have semi-annually, which is 2 po. We also have quarterly, which is 4 because in 1 year, there are 4 quarters. Kaya diba sa exam natin, meron tayong first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. And also, we have monthly. Kapag monthly po, we have 12. So let us read po, if Edna deposit $4,000 into an account paying 6% annual interest compounded quarterly, how much money will be in the account for 5 years? How much money? Ang tinatanong po sa atin dito is the future value or the maturity value. So using this formula po, we have F is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So yung given po muna natin, let us write it down. So we have $4,000. So that is the principal kasi siya po yung initial deposit. So sabi nga po, di ba natin, yung initial deposit o yung unang hiniram or binaro, yun po, my dear students, ang principal. Ngayon po, ilan po yung rate? That is 0.06. So R is equal to 0.06. And the time po, my dear students, which is always in terms of years, is 5 years. At yung N po natin, the compounding periods, this time is quarterly. Kaya sabi po baga natin, compounding periods, lagi yan may I, ay meron po siya laging LY sa hulihan. Sa may annually, quarterly, monthly. Ngayon po, dahil quarterly siya, meaning to say 4. Now, substituting all of this given po, so we have here $4 as our principal times 1 plus the rate of 0.06 all over 4 times 4 or raised to 4 times the T, which is 5. So that will give us $4 or $4,000 plus 1 plus 0.06 all over 4. Now using our calculators, that is 0.06 divided by 4, that is 0.15 or 0.015. So we have $4 times 1 plus 0.015 raised to 20. So we have $4 again times 1 plus 0.15 raised to 20. So gagawin natin dire-diretso lang. So plus 1 raised to 20 because 4 times 5, that is 20. So that is 1.35 approximately. Yung isusulat po natin approximation, pero yung pagka-calculate natin is dapat tuloy-tuloy. So that is $4,000 times 1.35 approximately. Our future value now times 4,000 is equal to 5,387.42. So meaning to say our future value after 5 years is $5,387.42. So, ibig sabihin, si Edna po, after 5 years, si dati niya $4,000, magiging $5,387.42. So, example number 2, you invested $6,500 into a bank account paying 8% annual interest compounded monthly. If you plan to invest it for 7 years, what will be the maturity value of the investment? Now, using our formula po, I want you to pause this video and try to answer it on your own. So I hope na-try na po. Now, let's answer it all together. So, you invested 6,500. So, 6,500 po, siya po ang principal natin. So, $6,500 is our principal. And the rate is 0.08. Kasi po, may 8% annual interest rate. Compounded monthly. So, ibig sabihin, may compounded monthly siya, that is 12 months. If you plan to invest it for 7 years, what will be the maturity value? So, sa future value po, siya po yung hinahanap. So again, we have the formula F is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So we have 6,500 times 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 raised to 12 times 7. So 12 times 7, that is 84. 0.08 divided by 12 raised to 84. 6,500. Bago po tayo mag-raise, kailangan na i-simplify po muna natin ito. So we have 0.08 divided by 12. That is equal to 0.007 approximately. So that is 6,500 times 1 plus 0.007 approximately raised to 84. So, ito po pag pinag-add natin, so that is $6,500 times 1.007 raised to 84. So, sige po, pagpatuloy natin, plus 1 raised to 84. That is 1.75 approximately. So, F is equal to 6,500 times 1.75. Now, multiplying it by $6,500, which is our principal, our future value now after 7 years is $11,358.24. So this is our future value. That is $11,358.24. Now, what if we have this problem? How much money would you need to deposit? So, ang tinatanong po sa atin kung ilan daw po yung i-deposito natin. So, that is principal. Today, at a rate of 9% and 9%, that is 0.09 in decimal. Annual interest compounded monthly. So, yung N natin, that is 12 again because monthly. To have $12,000. So, sa future value natin, that is $12,000 kasi siya po yung hinihingi in the account after 6 years. So, after 6 years, that is the time. So, again, we have the formula F is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. However, di ba po, ang tinatanong po sa atin is the principal. Kasi principal po, may mga katabi pa po. Ano yung ginagawa natin in order for us to have the formula for the principal considering that this formula is for the future value? That is correct. We need to derive the formula from this original formula to have the formula for the principal by dividing both sides by 1 plus R over N raised to NT. 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, makakancel siya. So, our formula now is F all over 1 plus R over N quantity NT. So, ito na po, my dear students, yung gagamitin nating formula once na ang hinahanap po natin is the present or the principal po. So again, we have P is equal to F all over 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So our F po, that is $12,000 all over 1 plus 0.09 all over 12 raised to 12 times 6. So 6 times 12 po tayo. 6 times 12, that is 72. So we have $12,000 all over 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12 raised to 72. So we have 0.09 divided by 12. That is 7.5 times 10 raised to negative 3. So approximately that is 0.0075. Plus 1 po natin kasi di ba may plus 1 pa po tayo. So that is 1.0075. So yan po yung ilalagay na lang natin. So we have $12,000 all over 1.0075 raised to, 75 raised to 72. So raise po natin by 72, raised to 72. So that is 1.71 approximately. That is $12,000 all over 1.71. Now $12,000 divided by the answer, that will give us 7,007.80. So ibig sabihin po, the present value that we're looking for is $7,007.08. So how much money would you need to deposit today? So ang pinapahanap po sa atin is the principal. Siya po yung nawawala. At 5% annual interest rate, so that is rate 0.05. Compounded monthly, ibig sabihin po n is equal to 12 to have $20,000. So this is our future value. So si $20,000, siya po yung expected amount natin after 9 years. So using our formula again, yung na-derive natin kanina, that is P is equal to F all over 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So we have $20,000 all over 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 raised to 12 or 12 times 9 kasi 9 years. So again, isolve po muna natin sa 12 times 9. That is 108. Now 0.05 divided by 12, that is 0.04016 approximately. So i-plus 1 na po natin. So plus 1 raised to 108. So that is approximately 1.57. That is $20,000 divided by the answer, which will give us 12,764.49. So the principal po is $12,764.49. This is our final answer. So what if we have this problem? If you deposit $5,000 into an account paying 6% annual interest compounded monthly, how long until there is $8,000 in the account? So given po muna tayo. So if you deposit, so siya po yung deposit, meaning to say this is the principal. If you deposit $5,000 into an account paying 6% annually, so that is the rate 0.06 annually, annual interest compounded monthly. So since monthly siya, n is equal to 12, how long? So time po yung pinapahanap sa atin. How long until there is $8,000 in the account? So ibig sabihin po, itong $8,000, ito po yung future kasi ito po yung ina-expect natin. So gaano katagal daw po natin makukuha yung 8,000 kapag mag-i-invest tayo, magde-deposito tayo ng $5,000. So di ba, we originated in the formula F is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. Ngayon po, ang kailangan nating ma-derive na formula is si T. So, first things first, divide both sides po muna natin by P. Kasi siya po, my dear students, yung nasa left side, kaya ibig sabihin, para ma-isolate natin si P, kailangan alisin muna natin si P. So, we have F over P is equal to 1 plus R over N raised to NT. Ngayon po, my dear students, since si T po ay nasa exponent, para po mailagay natin siya sa baba, we need to use the rules of logarithm, which is the power rule. So kapag ni-logarithm natin both sides, the logarithm of f over p is equal to nt. Si nt po, pag ni-logarithm natin, mapupunta na siya dito sa baba, the logarithm of 1 plus r over n. Ngayon po, since si t nga lang po yung gusto nating ma-isolate, pwede natin siyang i-divide muna kay logarithm of 1 plus r over n. So ito po, so makakancel na po siya. So NT is equal to the logarithm of f over p all over the logarithm of 1 plus r over n. However, my dear students, di ba meron pa tayong n dito? I-divide both sides po ulit natin yan kay n. Ibig sabihin po, dapat ito solve muna natin ito before natin n. Since ang kailangan lang naman natin is si t, i-divide both sides pa rin natin siya by n para ma-isolate na si t. O si t na lang uli yung nandyan. So ito, ibig sabihin po nito, ito, i-simplify po muna natin sa numerator bago po natin i-divide kay n para makuha natin si t. Our formula now is t is equal to the logarithm of f over p divided by the logarithm of 1 plus r over n all over n. So, t po is equal to the logarithm of $8,000 all over $5,000 divided by the logarithm of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 divided by n. So using our calculators, that is the logarithm of ito muna po tayo, the logarithm of $8,000 divided by $5,000. So ito na po yung answer niyan. Pero since may bar pa po siya, so divided by tayo by the logarithm of 1 plus 0.06 over 12. So that is 94.23. So ito, gawin na natin tong 12. So this is 12 is equal to 94.26 divided by 12. So kapag dinivide po natin yan by 12, the answer is 7.85 approximately. So ibig sabihin po, my dear students, yung 5,000 natin, $5,000 natin, magiging $8,000 siya, compounded continuously for 0.06 rate, magiging ganun siya kalaki after 7.85 years pa po. Okay, how about this one? I want you to pause this video and try to solve this problem on your own. Leah deposited $6,000 into an account paying 6.5% annual interest compounded quarterly. How long until there is 12,600 in the account? So kung makikita niyo po, my dear students, halos parehas lang po yung problem natin kanina. At katulad po ng sinabi ko, kung hindi po kaya mag-derive, please memorize, okay? So sabi natin, di ba? First, let us have the given. So yung given po natin is deposited $6,000. So this is our principal, $6,000. Account paying for 6.5 annual interest compounded quarterly. So we have the rate of 0.065 and the N po is equal to 4. And the future value is equal to 12,600. So ang hinahanap po sa atin is how long. So again, sabi nga ko nga po, pwede po tayo mag-derive, pero kung hindi talaga kaya mag-derive, mag-memorize. So we have the logarithm, or we have t is equal to the quantity, the logarithm of f over p, all over the logarithm of 1 plus r over n, all over n. So that is the logarithm po of 12,600 divided by $6,000 all over the logarithm of 1 plus 0.065 all over 4. All over 4 ngayon tayo. So, palitin lang po natin. So, that will give us the logarithm of 12,600 all over 6,000 divided by the logarithm of 1 plus 0.065 over 4. That is 46. 46.03 approximately all over 4. So the time now, so divided by 4 po natin. So the time now is approximately 11.50. So ibig sabihin po, after 11 years. So 11 years and 0.5 siya. So approximately 6 months. Or, pwede din naman yung 11.5 years na lang. Still acceptable po ito. And ito po acceptable din. That's it for today, my dear students. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye!